And it asks, how do you best recruit around the holidays, create urgency as to why December and not January? So here's what you need to understand. There are lots of benefits as to why December versus January. The most important one that you can focus on, because it makes sense no matter what company you're in, is it's the tax write-off. Joining a business and investing in your business gives you an immediate tax write-off. So if you were to join, and let's say you paid $500 or $5,000 to join your business, well, guess what ends up happening? If you do that in December, you've paid that money. And as soon as the taxes roll over and you're doing your taxes and you have a great accountant that recognizes that, hey, that business investment that you just made is a tax write-off, well, now they get a chance to tell you, oh, hold on, we can go ahead and get that money back off of your taxes. So let's go ahead and deduct that, and you're going to be able to basically get more money back on your taxes. It's an amazing tax write-off. And if someone waits till January, they have to wait an entire year to be able to write it off. So talking about the tax write-off benefit of joining in December versus January is huge for anyone that's financial minded, or that you can at least educate them enough to understand that that's a pretty good benefit and a great reason to join now versus later. The other thing that you can do is if you have products that sell very well right now during the holidays, definitely highlight that. A lot of people, they're trying to get gifts for other people. They're struggling to get gifts. If you have any products that can be used as gifts or that can make great Christmas presents or Hanukkah presents or whatever, then let these people know, hey, listen, I wanted to reach out to you because I know right now there's a lot of people that are looking for gifts for other people. There's a lot of people that have started the process of getting gifts for other people. I just wanted to check in with you to find out if you've done all your Christmas shopping, because if not, I think I've got something that you're probably going to dig. And then boom, right then and there, they're going to go, oh, what? Well, I happen to have found these products that are really amazing. They're making amazing gifts for a lot of people. I got them for myself, but man, when I started to see how many people could benefit from this, I actually became a representative with the company, because I was like, man, I know so many people that would absolutely love to get this right now. Man, as presents, this would be perfect. So I just thought, hey, might as well get started with this company, because guess what? I'm going to tell people about it anyway. And then I found out that they're actually looking for other people to work with their company, because the demand is so high for what we're doing right now during this time of year. So a lot of people that normally they'd get part-time jobs and do extra things to maybe raise Christmas money, this is actually an opportunity where people can make money by helping other people to get these products that are really amazing and sell like hotcakes during this time of year. So I wanted to reach out to you now because they're currently bringing people on board and I happen to know the right people. So let me know if there's something that you're interested in. If you want to learn more, I'll let you know what these products are. I'll tell you a little bit more about the business side. If you have any interest in that, or if you might know some other people that can benefit from what it is this company is selling, then you might be able to make some money, and maybe you could even make enough to cover your own presents so you can have a free Christmas this year, because you aren't paying any money for your presents because you're making it up in commissions from what it is this company is selling to other people. Don't know if you'd have any interest in that, but I just figured I'd be a good friend and reach out. Boom. Makes sense? You like that? Let me know.